Hello everyone, this video is about a small Windows application I have created with the name of MyShortCutzz. I will be sharing how to use this app. So let's get started. You can get this app from letsexcel.net website. Go to download WinApps, and from there you can either download the zip file, which is just 45 KB, or the exe file, which is 260 KB. So let's say that you have downloaded this zip file. Right click, extract here. Yeah, because this is my personal development, so the security has some issues with that. Let me get rid of these. So here we are, the extracted exe file. Somehow I don't know if I download the zip file, my virus, this Windows Defender go to alerts, and if I download the zip file, it says that you want to keep it. I say yes, I want to keep it. Then exe file is downloaded. I don't know why, because the zip file I have also created using the same system, and I have uploaded from here. Anyways, so you have got this exe file now. So what you need to do is you need to create. So what this will do, first of all, you have to see these two icons. I have these shortcuts over here and also a shortcut over here. So this is the application running. So instead of having lots of icons on this taskbar, this application will give you shortcuts within a pinned item. All you need to do is right click on the icon and you will get your shortcuts. Right? So let's understand how to use this application. Right click, create a folder. Let's say, I would say this is my test folder. And move your exe file over here. So now we have this exe file in a folder. When I run this file, it will say shortcuts updated. I say OK, and this window will appear. If I close it for now, you will see that a folder has been created, my shortcuts. Okay. So if I go to my shortcuts, this folder is empty. Now I have some sample shortcuts in this folder. Let me copy few of them. Let's say these 4, Control C, and put them in my test folder, my shortcuts. So I have now these 5 shortcuts within this subfolder. So if I again run this application, shortcuts updated, and now you can see if I go to this and right click, you can see that my shortcuts have been added to right click. Now I can pin this. I can pin this application on my taskbar and close this. So whenever I click without running the application, when I right click on this, I will have my shortcuts ready for me. So this is the application. So how many shortcuts I can have? If I open this shortcuts and I go to this, Control A, C, copy, Control V. So now I have like 15 items. So if I right click on over here, I still have these 5 shortcuts. But if I open this application, all I have to do is left click on this icon now. Application will run. And this is updated. Now I right click on this application. Now I have 9 icons. So this is the limit, that how many icons I can have on one link. You see, I have here 2 bars. If you want to have these 2 bars, all you need to do is, let's unpin this, and in the test folder, I will create another folder and say first instance, and copy this and my shortcuts over here. So now I will have another folder say second instance. In the first, from the first instance, I will copy this, Control C. In the second instance, I will have the copy of this. But here, let's say what we can do is we can delete these 6. I have these in the second instance. In the first one, let's delete from the top. Let's delete these. So now I have 2 applications, first instance and second instance. First, go to first instance, run this application, shortcuts updated, okay, and let's pin this to taskbar. Done. Now I go to second instance, I run this application, and let me pin this to taskbar. Now I have 2 shortcuts, this one and this one, right? But the problem is they both have the same icons. What to do now? In that case, what you can do is you can create a shortcut for this one and rename it to, let's say, my tools, and change the icon of this shortcut. Go to properties, change icon. Let's say I have in downloads few icons. So maybe I can use which one? I can use this one, the gears. Okay. Okay, apply. Okay. Now I have this. What I need to do, unpin these taskbars. Now I will run this my tools. Shortcuts updated. Now I will pin again. Now you can see this icon has been changed. The same way, if I go to my first instance and what I need to do, I need to create a shortcut for this too. So this is the shortcut. Let's say I will say essentials, right? And take properties, change icon, and let's browse for another icon in my downloads. I have, yeah, this one. Penguin with a PCB board. So apply, okay. So this is the essential. It's a shortcut, right? So we can, if I run this, update it, and right now I can pin this to taskbar. Now close it. So now I have 2 different icons and 2 lists. So in the same way, you can add multiple instances and you can have multiple icons and you can have these shortcuts. But there is a limit. You can add up to 9 shortcuts in one instance. There is a workaround. Let me share. For example, I have these. This is my in essentials, right? So let's say in essentials, I have these. So let me move these 2 pins, and you need to know that the pin ones are in alphabetical orders and my shortcuts are in alphabetical order. So if you want to change this order, you can say 1.PowerPoint, 2.Thunderbird, 3.Word. So these will be sorted in that way. So let's say, let me pin all these applications, right? So I have pinned these all applications. I will go to second instance. On these shortcuts, let me select all of these and go back to first instance and paste all the shortcuts over here. All right. So now I have, say, 15 items here. So if I open this essentials now, shortcuts updated. Let's close this and right click. You can see now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So around 13 shortcuts I can have this way. So if I don't pin, I can have 9, but if I pin few of them, I can go up to 13 in one list. So this is a bit of introduction. Let me see what else is left. So that's it. I hope that you like this application. This is actually alternate of the earlier toolbars we used to have till Windows 10. Since they are gone, I was facing some difficulty in managing my shortcuts. So this is what I came up with the idea and implemented it. So spread the application, and if you like this, uh, like the video so that more people can reach to this video and spread this application as you like.